I come from two Indias. I come from an India where we worship women during the day and gang rape them at night. I come from an India where we scoff at sexuality and yet fuck till we reach 1 billion people. I come from an India where journalism is supposedly dead because men in fancy suits in studios give each other hand jobs and yet women on the road with laptops are still telling the truth. I come from an India where we break down the walls of a comedy club because you can hear laughter inside. I come from an India that has the largest working population under 30 on the planet but still listens to 75-year-old leaders with 150-year-old ideas. I come from an India where women wear saris and sneakers and yet have to take advice from old men who have never worn a sari and will never get to take one off in their entire lives. I come from an India where we take pride in being vegetarians and yet run over the farmers who grow our vegetables. I come from an India where children living in basements and writing on comment sections have more courage than men in skyscrapers. I come. Which India do I go back to? Both of them. Which India am I proud of? One of them. Which India is proud of me? None of them.